buddy, we need to talk. They want you back. I think it's time to get back together and get running again. Okay guys, I hear you loud and clear. After I asked in a previous video for you guys to vote on which car you would like me to work on next, pretty overwhelmingly everyone voted for the 97. So it looks like I need to go ahead and get the problem child back going. Now, since you're already involved, I thought, why not let you be more involved? So let's go over what's wrong with it, and I'm gonna let you guys pick what we do, when, and how. So here's the problem child. Now, the engine is working pretty well, but let's go over the problems that this car still has that we need to fix if this thing's going to be drivable in any kind of a long-term fashion. First of all, we have an overheating problem. This car does run hot if the AC is on. I have done some diagnosing and it seems to come down to an issue with the radiator slash fans. The fans are working though, and the radiator is okay as far as I can tell, but the overheating problem didn't start until I changed radiators. So I'm thinking perhaps they gave me the wrong one or there's a problem with that. So the other issues, it needs a torque converter because the torque converter lockup is broken, and it's going to need a TCC solenoid, and there will probably be some other transmission refreshes and stuff along the way. The other issue that it has is the weird wiring issue on the inside, where if the climate control is turned, the fan is turned to any position but all the way up or all the way down, it causes the car to try to continue to run for a second after you turn the car off. Now, I think that's an ignition system, an ignition switch problem. I'm not positive, but that's where I would probably start with that. So that's the different things that we need to do outside of just needing to clean it up and some other real basic stuff. Now, the transmission stuff is going to be expensive and involved, and I cannot start there right now because I still have some equipment I need to pick up to be able to do that job. Plus, I've got to track down a torque converter that's worth anything, and I've got to find all the other parts, which I think ZZP has most everything else I need. But so I'm going to have you guys vote again. We will put another poll up on this video. You can also vote down in the comments. Where do you want me to start? Would you like me to start with the radiator? And if so, tell me what you think we should do there. If you have a specific type of radiator or retrofit you'd like to see, or what you want to do there. My thoughts for options there is to put a 99 style radiator and fan shroud in this, since it has the crappy 97 setup in it right now, which is not as good. So that's just one option. We could also do some other little upgrades along the way. Or do you want to see the ignition switch repair first? So vote on that, let me know, and as soon as I see what you guys say, we will get going on this problem child. But for now, I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. Drop me a like, drop me a comment, vote, and let me know what you want me to do, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and peace.